Hello and good evening. I'm Amanda Alfonso. You're watching Goa 365. The main stories at the hour. There was an uneasiness in the air at Porvorim this morning when a certain section of people were apparently prevented from worshipping at an ancient banyan tree on the eve of Janmashtami. According to locals, they have been offering prayers at the banyan tree for years, but were surprised to see this morning a barricade erected by certain persons, thus preventing them from proceeding to the site. There was an uneasy calm in the area and police were posted to prevent the situation from getting out of hand.
अष्टमीचो जो मोठो उत्सव दर वर्सा साजरो केलो जाता हांगा 7 वड आसा पर्वरीन तर हाका आडकाठी हाडपाचो प्रयत्न काही जे धर्मद्रोही आसा विरोधक आसा अशे समाजकंटक लोकांनी हांगासर करपाचो प्रयत्न केला आणि ह्या ठिकाणी जेन्ना आयज पुजा करपाक अष्टमीचे सगळे बायलां हांगा मोठ्या संख्येन आयली जाल्यार थंय तांकां आडकाठी हाडली आणि हो प्रकार काही 15 दिसा पयलीं एकदा अशी घटना घडली त्यामुळे तांकां एक हे कोण तरी आपणाक विरोध करता हे दिसलेले पण हांगा जेन्ना आयले तेन्ना पूर्ण थंय बांधून दवरलेले.
The tardy pace of work on the new sewage line being laid at St. Andrews Junction, Vasco, has been causing much inconvenience to the residents of Mangor Hill in particular and commuters of Vasco in general. The people of Mangor and the surrounding areas have to travel an additional 7 to 8 kilometers to reach their destination, a trip that would normally have taken them about 5 minutes. All this is thanks to the bad planning and the lack of foresight on the part of the PWD authorities. Speaking to Goa 365, social worker Tara Kerkar accused the PWD of unnecessarily delaying the works.
काम सदा स्लो सिवरेज डिपार्टमेंट पळय आसा PWD हे काम सदा स्लो करता त्यांचे हे नास्तिक काम जाता म्हणूनच हे अशे पाड पडला.
Also speaking to Goa 365, Digambar Amonkar, Vice President of the BJP South Goa, threatened to go on a strike followed by roadblocks in the city if the work is not immediately completed.
इफेक्ट जाला म्हणजे आम्ही आता कमीत कमी महिनोभर झाला आम्ही त्यांना सांगून झालं मग रस्ते बिस्ते बेगीन करा खड्ड्याला लोकांना त्रास जाला लवकर पट्टा बेटा लोक ॲक्सिडेंट जाता कितके फावट हांकां बीन सांगलें तर कोणूच केअर करना हांकां कांय पडना तांकां स्लोली काम आसा कारण आतां चतुर्थी लागीं येयल्ली आसा चतुर्थी लागीं येयल्या कारण लोकांक पाटी येवपा वचपाक भयंकर त्रास जाता पब्लिकान जाता नेवीचे लोक आसता मिलिटरी हे ते सगळे इतके लोकांक त्रास जाता वचून ताका रिक्वेस्ट करता मातशें करा म्हणून आतां तें काम चालू आसा हे खड्डे तर ह्या 4 दिसां भितर तुमी करिना काम रस्त्याचे जाल्यार आमी थंय आमी स्ट्रायक करतले आनी सगळे ट्रॅफिक आमी बंद करून उडयतले.
The residents of Vasco are also unhappy about the chaotic traffic arrangements in the port town. Addressing this issue, the local MLA and Revenue Minister, Jose Philip D'Souza, assured the people that Vasco would have a new traffic system in place. Mr. D'Souza, along with the Deputy Collector Mormugao, Mr. Levinson Martins, Traffic PI, Mr. Lawrence D'Souza, and other government officials recently inspected the roads in Vasco City and observed that it was the rumblers that were creating traffic jams in the port town of Vasco. Speaking to Goa 365, Mr. Jose Philip D'Souza elaborated on the solutions that they have come up with.
आज लोकांचे हे जाता एक ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता प्लस व्हेकल स्लो वचोन प्रॉब्लेम जाता सो आमी आज डिसिजन घेतला ह्या रामलर हांगा काडपाचे आनी एक हंप घालपाचो हंप म्हणजे लायक अ 1 स्पीड ब्रेकर सो दॅट लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम मातसो सॉल्व जातलो आनी होच रस्तो आयज पासून हांव जाणा लोकांक जायते त्रास जाता बट आफ्टर मान्सून जेन्ना प्लांट स्टार्ट जातलो तेन्ना पयलो हो रस्तो पयलो हॉट मिक्स जातलो.
With an increasing number of accidents taking place along the old Goa Banastari Road, the former Transport Minister and MLA of Kumbarjuak constituency, Pandurang Matkaikar, has initiated the construction of road dividers along this accident-prone 5-kilometer stretch of the NH4. Mr. Matkaikar informed our reporter that the dividers would be installed by a Mumbai-based company. It is interesting to note that the Mumbai-based company would install the dividers free of cost, and the work of the same would begin by the end of this year. In the last month alone, 14 accidents have occurred along this 5-kilometer stretch of highway, 5 of which have been fatal. Speaking to Goa 365, the Kumbarjua MLA Pandurang Matkaikar said that most of the accidents occurred at the Kortari junction, and therefore he had suggested the erection of dividers from the road in front of the Syngenta factory up to the Banastari bridge.
I admit that a lot of accident takes place, particularly at Kurlim Junction, and so we have suggested to put a divider from the in front of the Shiba Road till Banastari Bridge, and that is also on process. I think that will help to us to reduce the accident. What we have did in the Bamboli or in the Panji Mapsa Road, sometime there these two junctions were the main places where the major accidents was taken place. But after putting the dividers, the rate of the accident has been reduced.
Mr. Madkaikar also urged motorists to exert caution while driving along this stretch, especially since vehicular movement along the stretch has increased manifold over the years. Marga woke up to the news of a double murder of Rajendra Jamne and Manu Pathak on the 12th of August. A special team of the Goa police picked up the alleged accused Sunny Kanuja from Indore. The accused was brought to Margao on a transit remand for further interrogation. According to the police, the alleged accused admitted to committing the murder of the couple. We are heading for a short break. Stay with us.